Hey, Buy Smart fam! Today, we're diving into the world of robot vacuums. It's Roomba 694 versus eufy X8 Pro. Which one will be the champion of your dirty floors? Let's roll up our sleeves and get our hands, well, not dirty because these robots are supposed to do that for us. Let's get into it. First up, let's talk about price. The Roomba 694 comes in at a wallet-friendly $274. You could buy that and still have enough left over for a decent dinner date. On the other hand, the eufy X8 Pro is a hefty $649. At that price, you might expect it to cook you dinner, do your taxes, and maybe even babysit your kids. But hey, let's see if it's worth the splurge. Design-wise, the Roomba 694 has a sleek, premium look. It's like the James Bond of robot vacuums, smooth, stylish, and always ready to sweep you off your feet. Not to mention, its adaptive navigation is pretty darn impressive. It can dodge furniture and avoid cliffs like an action hero. The eufy X8 Pro, on the other hand, is more like the tech-savvy cousin who always has the latest gadgets. It uses iPath laser navigation to create precise maps, avoid obstacles, and clean every nook and cranny. So if you want a vacuum with the navigational skills of a GPS, eufy's got you covered. Roomba 694 sports an auto-adjust cleaning head that adapts to carpets and hard floors. It's like that one friend who's always ready for any situation, whether it's a casual hangout or a fancy dinner. Plus, it runs for 90 minutes before needing a recharge. Not bad for a little guy. Now, the eufy X8 Pro is here to flex its muscles with 2 by 4,000 pascals twin turbine suction. It can suck up pet hair from deep within carpets like a pro. And it's got a tangle-free roller brush, so you don't have to play hairdresser after every clean. Talk about a vacuum that's got your back. Roomba 694 is pretty low maintenance. It automatically recharges and has smart sensors to adjust to your home. It's the kind of vacuum that just gets you. No drama, no fuss. But if you want to go full-on lazy mode, the eufy X8 Pro is your best friend. Its dustbin empties itself into a 2.5 L station and only needs replacing every 45 days. That's nearly hands-free cleaning for a month and a half. Plus, with customizable LEI, Map 2.0, you can set no-go zones and virtual boundaries. It's like having a robot butler, minus the British accent. Based on Amazon reviews, the Roomba 694 is praised for its affordability, effectiveness on carpets and hardwood floors, and easy availability of replacement parts. However, it is noted to be somewhat noisy, can miss dirt, and may get stuck in certain areas. On the other hand, the eufy X8 Pro receives high marks for its strong suction power, efficient cleaning patterns, and ease of use. Some reviewers did mention battery issues after extended use, but customer service was responsive and helpful. So there you have it, folks. Roomba 694 is your budget-friendly, reliable buddy, while the eufy X8 Pro is the high-tech, hands-free powerhouse. Which one should you choose? Well, that's up to you. Are you a thrifty cleaner or a tech-loving neat freak? Drop your choice in the comments below, and don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell for more smart buying tips. Remember, clean floors are just a robot away. Stay smart and see you next time on Buy Smart. Product links are in the description.